If you saw our Kartboy alternator cover install earlier this week, you probably thought to yourself, man, there's no way I could possibly make my engine bay look any better than this aluminum version. Well, sorry to say, you'd be wrong. My name is Mark. Welcome to Kartboy. Today, we are gonna be installing this beauty. This is the carbon fiber version of our alternator cover. Roll the intro.
We still don't have an intro.
Forget the intro. So here we can see the difference between the anodized aluminum and laser engraved and our carbon fiber version. Couple cool things about the carbon fiber version. This is a hand-laid, hand-routed piece of beauty. Also, you can see instead of laser engraving the logo, this logo is actually in the mold where the carbon fiber is laid, and that gives it a really cool ghosted effect. It's really cool. It's not as in your face as this white version, but it is very visible in person. So if you're looking for a how to install this, a whole detailed video, you can check out our previous video from earlier this week where we go through the entire install process. This carbon version installs exactly the same as the aluminum version. But for the point of this video, we're just gonna swap out the fasteners, take a look at it, and see how absolutely gorgeous this thing is under the hood of my 04 STI. So it's as easy as taking out a couple bolts. And we're gonna swap it out. Don't use an impact, but if you are worried about security of your alternator cover, what you can do is just round these bolts out, and then they'll never come out anyway. But I don't really recommend that because we're gonna have to put a motor in this thing eventually. So got that off. I'm gonna put my aluminum one off to the side. I feel like I need like walk-up music. Dun, 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 dun. And yes, I'm going to reuse my red spacers because I think it looks sweet with the remaining red paint on my intake manifold. And yes, don't go in the comments and tell me to paint my manifold. I know. I'll get to it. Shout out to Smedia for pointing out all my flaws continually. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. All right, so we're gonna snug these down. Oof. Damn! We're just gonna stand back and enjoy that. I might need a minute alone with this. Man. Yeah, boy. Different shirt. If you're interested in one of our Kartboy Carbon Fiber alternator covers and you're seeing this video, head on over to www.kartboy.com and pick one up ASAP. Quantities are extremely limited of the carbon version. If you're interested in an aluminum version, those are always available on our website, kartboy.com. We have those for EJ and FA24 engines. The carbon version is only for EJ powered Subarus. If you have any questions, comments, or fitment concerns of any kind, you can shoot us an email, myself, Mark, or our media guy, Harris. We'll get back to you as quickly as we can. Shoot us an email at supportboy@kartboy.com. Hit us up on the socials. Let us know what you're doing with your Subaru. Thank you very much. Now the worst part of the video, where I must say, goodbye.